this is Jamie with Creations Misfit, and today I'm going to show you how to add a faux fur pom onto your project. I had a girl ask me if I could show how to do this, so let's go ahead and do that. Here's a hat that I recently made. If you want to make this hat, it's called the Libby Beanie. I will put a little card up here, and I will put the link for the pattern in the description box as well, but that's what I'm working with today. I just did this one, and I made this one on the tutorial. So I'm going to put this cream color pom up here. So what you will need is just like a long piece of yarn for the project that you made. Just go ahead and cut a yarn piece. And then what we're going to do here is you can put it through your sewing needle. And on the bottom of the pom, there's an elastic piece, unless it's a snap, that's different. But I'm going to show you how to use the elastic. So just put this right through the elastic. So that it's about even. Just pull it through so it's about even. And then you're going to want to put it through the top of your hat. So I used to just put it through and then tie this on, but the ball would be like moving all over the place. So I'm going to show you a little trick to make sure it doesn't do that. So find the top of your hat, which usually has like a little round part from where you started. And I use a hook to go through the hat, and I'm going to pull the strands through each side of this round piece. Now you can see like maybe here I will put it and here, just try to make it even, or you can even go out a little bit to a little bit further. So let's see, I'm going to go, I'm going to pull mine right here, pull this one piece through, and then find the other side of that so that it's even. It looks like about here would be even. So I'm going to pull this piece through there. And then I'm going to go straight up the middle with my hook from the inside, straight through the middle of the hat, and pull on that elastic. Pull the elastic through the bottom of the hat. And then you can just open up here, and here's where the elastic is. And as long as you pull that through and piece your two sides together, sorry, where's the other side? There it is, underneath the elastic, that will help keep it down more so that your pom isn't bobbling around. So I try to just put these pieces both through the elastic. You can take that out now. Just put them both through whichever way you can. And that way the elastic is there. And then you can just tie this in a knot. I usually tie it in a knot about 2 or 3 times tightly. And then you'll just weave in these ends. I mean, you could probably cut it right there, and I'm guessing it would be fine, but I like to be extra careful. And you can just weave in and out through some stitches here. Just go back and forth a little bit, and then you can do a knot and cut your yarn. And you'll do the same for this piece too. I don't have to show you on camera, but I just want to show you here. This is like nice and firm now, and it's on there really good. It's not like bouncing all around. So that's how you do it. That's how you add a faux fur pom. I hope that was easy enough to follow. And like I said, if you'd like to make this hat, it will be in the description box below. Also, please check out my other tutorials. I have a lot of patterns and large projects, small projects, yarn haul giveaways, yarn haul just kind of talking, all kinds of different things, even mystery patterns. So take a look, subscribe, like, comment. I'd love to hear if this was helpful for you, or if there's anything else you'd like to see me make. So thanks for being here. I hope you have a great day. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.